Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2018 Porsche 911 GTS. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Everything here looks fine. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Perfect. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender is in excellent condition and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver door. This door looks fine. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move along the back of the car. The back looks fine. I do not see any dents or scratches back here at all. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition. I do not see any dents or scratches and the wheel has no curb rash. Take a look at the passenger door. This door looks fine. I do not see any dents or scratches on the door at all. And now the last fender and wheel looks perfect. I do not see any scratches on this fender and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. We're going to start with the driver's seat. Okay, I do see a little wear here. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. The seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Okay, everything here looks perfect. The radio, the AC buttons look good. Also, the performance buttons are in good condition as well. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel is in perfect condition. Not seeing any wear and tear. So everything looks good in this car. Let's have a look at the top and we're just going to make sure everything works. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.